Prior to running Genius Scan, all remotes will need to be powered on. Press and hold the mode button for 2 seconds. The activity LED color will indicate the battery's charge level. While powered, the activity LED will flash every few seconds. The color of the activity LED heartbeat directly indicates the remote's current mode. Once powered, install the remotes in the locations to be mapped. Next, connect the Coax Genius receiver to a point on the system you suspect is connected to the remotes. Starting the Genius Scan is as simple as pushing the button. During the Genius Scan, the receiver will display the ID numbers of any remotes connected to the same system. Each remote ID number will be followed by a P, B, or an X. This letter indicates the results of that remote's voltage ping test. Following the scan, the receiver will try to determine if a splitter or tap is located on the connected system. To better understand the results of our Genius Scan, let's take a look at the RF system between the remotes and the receiver. The cable we connected the receiver to is right here, connected to this 4-way power passing splitter. Let's run the Genius Scan again and watch exactly what is happening. The Genius Scan individually pings each remote one at a time. First, the receiver pings remote ID number 1. Number 1 is connected to the same network as the receiver, so it replies and runs a voltage ping test. A voltage ping test will determine if the path from the remote to the receiver will pass DC voltage. Since the only component between remote ID number 1 and the receiver is a power passing splitter, remote ID 1 passes the voltage ping test. Since remote ID numbers 2 and 3 are not connected to the same RF system, they will not respond. While remote ID number 4 is on the same RF system, you'll notice there's an additional component between the remote and receiver. This additional component does not pass DC voltage. Therefore, remote number 4 shows its path as blocking DC voltage. Remote ID numbers 5 and 6 are not connected to the same RF network. Therefore, they will not respond. The receiver pings number 7, and since it's on the same network, it runs its voltage ping test. Like number 1, the only component between the remote and the receiver is a 4-way power passing splitter. The path from remote 7 passes DC voltage. Since remote ID number 8 is connected to a different system than the receiver, it does not respond. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with future Coax Genius instructional videos.